I just connected to this calf, a small calf, which is so cute, and I am healing her with my loving presence. So it's a small one, and there are many here. So I'll just try to connect with them and see how each one of them responds. And there is my student who is also trying to connect with the courage to connect with the animals and having her experience. So as I connect to them, if they get connected, I will show you live how I approach them and talk to them. Hi, hello, how are you? She's busy eating the grass and enjoying its meal consciously. And there are many more. All are small calf. I think this one has loosened its rope. It's not a tied one. So how it will respond? Some are small, some are big, but all of them are so cute and naturally in their own space, enjoying what they're enjoying. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? You want to enjoy grass? This grass you want to eat? Yes, you're eating. So I'll give you more. This has responded to eat grass. Give me more. Yes, it's eating. Wow. What an experience. Take this. You need the juicy one? Take this juicy one. Juicy one. Extremely cute. So this is how I connect. I took the courage to love this calf by reading the energy, what they want. They want definitely love and the energy of protection and safety. This is how safe my students feel when they come to me. This is another herb, and it is juicy herb. It is eating. So I need to collect lot of them. So enjoy this feel. I energize everything. I energize all the organisms. And so am I. Now I will choose this cow to get my loving, healing energy, and it has responded very well. Look at her eyes, the eyes of trusting the power, and have a feel. Look into her eyes. She has known this energy. Yes. Yes. Very good. Well done. Well done. As I am talking, it is responding. This is the first time I am loving a calf, and that is so much live experience for you to experience it. Slowly it will go into a mode. Suppose I stop, it will definitely show some signal to love it again. Look at his eyes. Yeah. Yes. What a beautiful experience. And the other one. This is the power. And my student is also getting access to the healing energy. I have transformed her, so she is also able to connect to the cow. Love it? Yes, beautiful. I have seen that they eat this grass. So if you can feed it, I think this one is the grass. Maybe it will eat it. No, it is in no mood. But it may eat. I'll take you to another one. Those two calf.
Oh, over there.
Yes, you go and connect to. Something has happened. Both are being tied together. Yes. This one with the white. Yes. Ultimately, they are tied. Let me untie. Can you do that? Yes. No, it is tied in a very difficult way. Wait, let me untie it. Yes. You just hold it. You hold this camera and capture it.
Okay.
I will be doing this. Wait. Ay. Don't do this. Don't do this. Come. No. It is just tied up. Here, come this side. Come this side. Ay. Don't do this. Ay, don't do this. Don't do this. Come this side. Come this side. Come this side. I freed them. I freed them. Yes.
Oh my God.
I freed them. Live. This is what the Guru does. This is what the Guru does. I showed you live what I did. This is dopamine. Real dopamine. I don't know how much it was captured, but this cow, the rope of that cow was tangled to this cow, and see the freedom this cow is feeling now. It got surrendered to the rescuer. I love you. Yes. Look what it's feeling. He was fearful. He was fearful that he will have problems. He will die maybe. But now, after some rest, it has got up and soon it will be active. So I transmuted the energy of fear into trust, into life. This is the power of transformation. So let me feed it with some grass if it eats it. You want to eat? No? Not in a mood. Yes. This is what energy is. In real time we saw what happens to a body when it feels fear. For some time it just was doing nothing. Got into freeze mode. Because he's just a toddler. Baby. So how was your experience with the cow? Good one?
Yes.
Yes, enjoyed?
Yes.
Yes. You love him. First connect and then love. Talk to them, talk to her. Communicate. Speak words. Speak words, they listen. Don't need to be fearful, okay? You are safe. You did not die. You are alive. It got scared completely.
Yes. Better now.
Yes, now he's healing. Look at his eyes, just filled with tears. We will heal him. Can you bring my bag and water? Or if you have water, you can also give. Water you have? There it is.
Not fresh water.
Yes.
Coconut.
Okay. Just surrender. You are safe. Look at the innocence in its eyes and face. Sleep now. Sleep. Sleep. Relax. Sleep. Relax. Just do nothing. You want to get up? Okay. All right. He must be all right in some time. I'm not sure whether he will drink it or not, but we can try giving it water. Yes. Give it in my hands. Yes. You want to drink? Drink it?
No.
No, still he is in freeze mode little bit. So it will take time. I must be here. Okay. All right. Relax. Okay? Relax. You'll be fine soon. So, what my effort lead to? Freedom. Freedom from the fear, transmutation of that energy. And along with me, she is also learning on the spot how Guru is fearless, how I am fearless, and I take the initiative to save lives. For me, it doesn't matter whether that life is a human being, a dog, an animal, anyone. When I see someone doesn't want to die and someone is not meant to die, I take the initiative to free that soul with my powers, and that is done powerfully by me with the powerful energy that I have. So now this cow has got up and it is now active. No more in freeze mode. No more in freeze mode. Ha ha ha. Yes. Yes, absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. So happy to see him active and alive. Now he will eat his grass. Why you are tied up so much? Be free to roam. Go. I free you from this. Just moving around the same pole, he got himself tied and he was limited. And that is the condition with you. You are tied to the same rope of the matrix from where you cannot be freed until I come in the picture. So it was extremely powerful to show you experientially how you are tied with the matrix and you can be free like me, like her right now, who is able to connect with animals in my powerful presence and with my powerful energy work on her. Extremely powerful, and that is why I don't want to go away. So as I go away, have a feel of the oneness with these creatures, these natural beings, and how beautifully they are living their life. Look at this one, so busy. Hello. Very busy, and he feels safe in my presence, and that is why he is continuously eating the food that he was eating. And that one has also become active and eating the grass, who was in freeze mode for some time. He is always tied up in his rope. Come. Let me give you like this, yes. Now you are free to move. All right? You are free to move. Well done. Do you feel any difference in them and you
Yeah.
at this moment?
tied up initially,
Hmm.
broke free in the end.
Yes. Very good. Yes. So the message from her was she felt energetically that initially they were tied up and broke free in the end. Like her, she was tied up in the beginning, but now she is free. So that's why this was a powerful energy work live from me. Thank you and bye-bye.